Hey guys, it's me again, Barry, with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an Akai CR-83. This is the Akai deck that I consider to be the safest investment. It doesn't have crackling heads like some of the higher end Akais do. It's easy to replace the motor. In fact, this is one of few decks that I actually have the exact replacement OEM motor for. So it's always a good idea to replace a motor in this thing, which I have. And so we're going to pop it in and make sure it worked. Got some Neil Sedaka on deck here. Make sure we got both speakers. Both speakers are working. Alright, change tracks a bunch of times. Now that right channel cutting in and out, that's my fault. That's from using that's from feeding test signals into a machine while I've got a tape playing. It actually ends up either erasing or recording over some of the music. Alrighty, and just for fun, we'll pop in some Herb Alpert because I haven't listened to this. Been a while since I listened to some Herb, so we'll pop in some Herb. My last concert, incidentally, was Sir Herb Alpert. I think it was back September 26th, or no, February 26th was when I went and saw Herb. All right, so that covers it. It's working properly. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And needless to say, if you have an 8-track player, either for home or for car use, even the ones that were used in video games, carnival rides, I don't work on the little robots, the 2XL robots, but most other things that use an 8-track transport I do work on. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. And this unit comes from Leo in Orlando, Florida. Thanks, Leo, for your business. We'll see you guys next time.